Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Homebrew on your MacBook M1. To get started, open your preferred browser and simply search for Homebrew. Click on the first link that shows up. It should be from brew.sh. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the installation instructions. Just copy that command. Now open Spotlight Search. You can do that by pressing Command plus space, and then search for terminal. Once the terminal is open, paste the command using Command plus V and hit Enter. It'll ask for your Mac password, type it in and press Return. This will begin downloading and installing Homebrew. After it finishes, you'll see some instructions on the screen. You need to follow those steps. Copy the command that includes echo and ends at the path it shows. Then paste it back into terminal and press Return. This will add the necessary line into your .z profile. To confirm that, just type code.z profile. As you can see, the line has been successfully added. Now to check whether Homebrew was installed correctly or not, just type brew version. You should see something like Homebrew 3.3.2, or whichever version is current when you watch this. So yes, that means Homebrew is now installed on your Mac. With Homebrew, you can easily install software like Git, Node.js, and many other tools. For example, try typing brew install git. In my case, it says git is already installed, but this is how you'd install it otherwise. And that's how you install Homebrew on a MacBook M1. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.